welcome back to the channel. Alrighty, so Jackson and I are headed outside into the garden. We've got several things that we need to do, several projects. There's always a project when you have a home and gardens and all the things. So I'm going to take my camera and show you what I've been working on the last several days and then explain what we're out here doing today. Okay, this is my crop cage. I got this from Frugal Homes, and I was very thankful for it. It's situated in a place that I thought would be well, but it is not going to work out in that space, and here's why. This is my soil barrel, and right now my table is behind the crop cage over here. So if I put the table out, I can put it over there, but I'd still have to walk a far piece from there over here to the soil barrel. So what I'm gonna do is have Jackson, because there's landscape fabric all along here. I'm gonna just have Jackson help me turn the crop cage from this way to this way. And then I'm gonna put my table in front. That way the table is here, makes a shorter distance to get to the soil barrel. I know that doesn't seem like a lot or make a ton of sense, but trust me, it will make a ton of sense. In this crop cage, what I need to do is make sure that all of my buckets are full of soil. I didn't have as much soil. I put some in yesterday. Of course, soil settles over time. And so I'm just gonna go ahead, and then there was grass all up over here. So we got all of that grass out. I did. Sister helped me. And then there was grass all back here, and I got all that grass out yesterday. And then there was grass all over here, and I got that out yesterday. So all of this is gonna move. We're gonna shift it over here, and then we're gonna turn the crop cage sideways. We're getting rid of that cardboard. There's some old rusted stands in there. They're going. Trying to keep it as clean as we can. My kids don't understand I like clean spaces, even though this is a garden. I've seen some beautiful, beautiful gardens. Most of those have a lot of landscape fabric throughout. Where we still have grass, they have landscape fabric. And as whenever I get more landscape fabric, I'm planning to come through and fully landscape fabric everything. Then I'm not dealing with the weeds, because I'm done dealing with the weeds. For right now, though, this is where we are, and these are the things that have to be done. So I'm gonna get Jackson working. He does not want to be out here. I get it. Neither do I. But things have to be done, and so because things have to be done, we're gonna come out here and get things done. And once we get that done, hey, it'll be good for another day or two. Then we'll do something else. So we're gonna start working. Hopefully, my plan is just to lift and shift. I don't wanna have to pull the whole thing out because it is staked down into the ground, but it's easy. It's not heavy at all to move. The biggest thing will be getting all the other stuff that's over there out of the way so that we can shift it. But we're gonna set you guys up on a tripod. Hopefully we'll be able to get you some good viewing, and we're then going to get some stuff done. So there it is. Welcome to our garden. for some landscape fabric. Just a little bit. Then we can get this moved. I think the scissors might do it over here. And we should have some pants. All right, sorry y'all. Shamika had called and I was not able to film this, but Jackson and I got the crop cage moved, and I also have now the table set up. My chair is there. We actually was able to get some water in here, and I'm getting ready to start filling up these pots with more soil because I think that's what it needs. And then I'm gonna fertilize and water everything real good. We got this moved over here. These pots down here, I need to dump some water out of them. This sifter, I'm gonna lay it down over here. I do need to still weed a few of this over here. And but we're getting there. We're getting there. I'm glad to have this here finally, where I can actually use it and sit. I'm actually gonna get my green stalk. I'll now be able to get that situated and filled. So we're getting there. It's slow, but we're getting there. All right, y'all. I'm back in the garden again. I'm actually not in it yet, but I'm heading in that direction. I got my rolly wheelbarrow. Well, it's nice and cool out, so what I'm gonna try to do is to get some trash up, much needed trash, because tomorrow's trash day. So I'm gonna try to get some things that need to be in the trash. Still cleaning up in the garden some. Put you guys up on a tripod. Okay. So we went to a nursery that we typically go to, and they had some plant starts, but it's late in the season, and so these didn't do very well. So we're gonna go ahead and get rid of these. So I'm just gonna take these over to my barrel and in my rolly barrel. Actually, let me grab one more thing. There's just so many little things that always have to be done. Alrighty, you guys, several days later, and that is going to be an end to that particular video with the changing up the crop cage. Again, shout out to Vivor Homes, not sponsored, but they did send me a lot of things that you see in my garden, a lot of things you see around my home, period, because they're just those types of company that has not lots of lovely things that we use quite a lot of. And so, yeah, we're going to keep working in the garden, just not today. We are on a water thing. So right now I can't water my garden until Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday, something like that. Some craziness, but listen. Anywho, there it is, you guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you like this video, don't forget to share, subscribe, do all of the things. And we'll see you guys in the next one.